This is Dell Inspiron series 2020 model laptop. It has broken the screen and hinge. So I'm going to replace the screen and repair the hinge in this video step by step. First of all, remove this cupboard fan and remove this cupboard. Remove this battery connector properly and remove this Wi-Fi cables, and this is graphic cables. Remove the hinge pin of the sides, yes, and pull it and remove it slowly, yes, keep it safe. It's my hinge. Yeah, remove this the screen cover. Yes, keep it and remove this hinge pin of the screen and save it. Keep it safe. And pull it slowly. Screen. Remove it slowly. It's the screen stand. You don't do if your screen is fine. So this screen is damaged, so I use these tools. But your fine screen, you don't remove this way. That's my new screen, and try to connect and try to test it. Press the power button. Yeah, it's fine. This new screen is fine. I want to fix it. It's my hinge, so I want to before I want to repair this hinge. This hinge is very hard. Twisted it anti-clockwise directions. Yeah, it's free now. Don't do much more free because it's can problems. So Yeah, it is a hinge fan. Yeah, it is a broken, so I'm going to repair. And you have to connect this pin in the screen board. I am using this glue for connecting this pin. You have to set. If you not have experience, don't do this. It's a little sensitive. There is a 3 pin, so I fixed it one by one here. Connect this screen cables properly and lock. Yes, it's now free, this hinge. Connect it and tight screw properly. Connect hinge in next side. And set this frame of the screen. Put carefully here. Fix this Wi-Fi cables, you reconnect it. Tighten the screw of this Wi-Fi. Yeah, tighten the screw of the hinge at motherboard. Fit the RAM. Yes, this is the cupboard of this back cupboard of laptops, so fix it properly. and try. Yes, fine. It's ready.